up everyone, my name is Jaime. Welcome to another episode of Helix, and today we're going to be going over different variations of back and bicep workouts by using a pull-up bar. So first we're going to do a overhead dead hang, which is just you putting your hands over the pull-up bar and just hanging on. This is good for beginners who are barely starting out for calisthenics. You're not pulling yourself, you're literally just hanging, and you can do this for 10 or 15 seconds. So that could be one rep right there. And then you guys could also switch it to a underhand dead hang, which is pretty much the same thing, except which would put a little bit more emphasis on the bicep. So just a side note, whenever you guys are doing a pull-up, overhand works out more on the back, and underhand works out on the bicep. So with the underhand dead hang, this is a good warm-up, or if you're not really good with pull-ups in general, and yeah, you'll definitely feel it right where the bicep starts to crease. So you can do 15 seconds, 3 sets of those as a warm-up, and then we're going to jump into our overhand pull-up. So now we're going to be doing the overhand pull-up, which would emphasize more on the back, and the secondary muscle will be the bicep. So when you're doing it, you kind of want like a little bit of a shoulders width, and then you want to pull yourself up into it. So you want to make sure your chin goes above the bar. You want to make sure you go all the way down and bring it back up for that full range motion. So that was our overhand pull-up, and for that you want to do 3 sets of 10, and if you can't do that, try to do 3 sets of as many as you can. Now we're going to be moving forward to our underhand pull-up, which is very similar, except you're switching the hand, the palm facing towards you, and same thing, shoulders width, and you want to go above the bar and extend all the way down to get that full range motion. So let's get started. So those were underhand pull-ups, and now we're going to go do wide grip pull-ups, which focus on the lats, which people also refer to as the wing of your back. So basically same thing, except you're going to have your hands wider than usual. And then you're going to have the full range motion and pull up. And let's get started. And those were wide grip pull-ups, and that concludes our video for today. If you guys found this video useful, please hit that like and subscribe button, and until next time.